Hello everyone, it is Teacher Annie here, and today I am going to show you guys how to teach your kids to be able to copy CV plus CV plus CV. But first, they should have already know the phonics for each alphabet as well as the pronunciation of each syllable, which is the basic one, CV plus CV, such as buku, bata. Okay parents, one thing that I find very helpful to help kids to be able to copy CV, CV, CV is to show the syllables one by one. As an example, let's take this one. Ke, ta, wa. So ask them to copy the first syllable first. Right after that, you can proceed to the next syllable, which is ta. And lastly, wa. And then ask them to pronounce with you. Ketawa. Let me show you guys an example of that. So let's take ketawa as an example. First, you're gonna close the last two syllables. Put it right in front of them and ask them to copy the first syllable first. So first we have ke. Maybe you can teach them to put plus sign here and then proceed to the next syllable, which is ta. We have ta, and then moving forward to the last syllable, which is wa, plus wa. Now you can ask them to blend the words independently by excluding the plus sign. So ke, ta, wa. Don't forget to show the action of it. Ha ha ha!